Preston. We're going to see what Shopkins are out today. So, these Shopkins, my mom bought it for me because I was good at school. My name's Preston. He's going to go spinning and open and close. And here's the horn. Here's all the Shopkins you get. But you only get 2 Shopkins. But I had a lot more because I bought these ones. And there's a sign and everything. But
where did the Shopkins go? How did they go in there?
You put them like this.
See.
Mom,
Could you reach all the way over?
And put them like that. Close them. And you get another one. Put them in. Close it up. Put them in. And put on somewhere else. And you put them in the sink. Because that. And put one.
Maybe one in the driver's seat?
Yeah, and the other ones go here. Just like this. Just like that. Falling. I'm falling. It's like this.
Say thank you.
Yeah.
Say thanks for watching my show.
And then see you next time.
See you next time.